Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Learning Voice. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hi, and thanks for listening today.
Today's topic is feelings and emotions.
Yes, feelings and emotions are very similar. They both talk about what you feel inside.
In this episode, we will learn simple, useful English to talk about feelings in daily life.
We will teach words, phrases, questions, and real examples.
This is great for elementary and intermediate learners.
Let's start.
Paul, let me ask you a simple question. How are you feeling today?
Today, I feel calm and focused.
Calm means relaxed and not stressed.
Yes, and focused means my mind is clear and I can concentrate.
Great. Today, I feel happy, but also a little tired.
That is normal. Sometimes we feel more than one emotion at the same time.
Exactly, and that is an important point for learners.
Yes, feelings are not always just one word.
First, let's explain the difference in simple English.
Okay?
A feeling can be a simple word like happy, sad, tired, angry, nervous.
An emotion is a stronger or deeper feeling, like fear, love, guilt, pride.
But in daily English, people often use them in the same way.
Yes, so do not worry too much. Just learn the words and use them naturally.
Great.
Now, let's teach the most common feelings words for daily life.
We will start with basic ones.
Happy,
Sad,
angry,
tired,
nervous,
excited,
stressed,
calm,
worried.
confused.
Great list. Now we will explain each one with simple meaning and examples.
Perfect.
Happy means you feel good inside.
Example, I feel happy today because I passed my exam.
Sad means you feel down and not happy.
Example, I feel sad because I miss my family.
Angry means you feel upset and mad.
Example, I feel angry because someone lied to me.
Tired means you have low energy.
Example, I feel tired because I didn't sleep well.
Nervous means you feel worried before something important.
Example, I feel nervous before my interview.
Excited means happy and energetic about something.
Example, I feel excited because my friend is coming to visit.
Stressed means you feel pressure and mental weight.
Example, I feel stressed because I have too much work.
Calm means relaxed and peaceful.
Example, I feel calm after a walk.
Worried means you are thinking something bad might happen.
Example, I feel worried about my mother's health.
Confused means you do not understand.
Example, I feel confused about this question. Great. Now let's teach a very important structure in English.
Yes, the simplest way to talk about feelings is I feel.
I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel nervous.
Very clear. Another common structure is I am.
I am happy. I am tired. I am nervous.
Both are correct in daily speaking.
But sometimes I feel sounds more personal and direct.
Yes, I feel shows the emotion inside you.
Now let's teach useful questions to ask about someone's feelings.
These are very important for daily conversation.
Question 1, how do you feel?
Question 2, how are you feeling today?
Question 3, are you okay?
Question 4, what's wrong?
What's wrong means something is not okay and you want to know why.
Yes, but use it gently because it can feel strong.
Another gentle question is everything okay?
Great. And when someone looks sad, you can say, you seem sad. Are you okay?
You seem means you look like that.
Exactly. You seem tired. You seem stressed.
Great.
Now, let's talk about responding naturally.
Yes, when someone asks you, how are you? You can answer in many ways.
Let's give simple answers first.
I'm good, thanks.
I'm okay.
Not bad.
I'm fine.
Now more emotional answers.
I'm a little tired.
I'm stressed today.
I'm excited about something.
I'm not feeling great.
Not feeling great means you feel a bit bad, maybe sad or sick.
Yes, it is a soft way to say you are not okay.
Now, let's teach feeling words that are one level higher for intermediate learners, but still simple.
Good idea.
Frustrated.
Frustrated means you feel upset because something is difficult or not working.
Example, I'm frustrated because my internet is slow.
Embarrassed.
Embarrassed means you feel shy and uncomfortable because of something in public.
Example, I felt embarrassed when I forgot my words.
Proud.
Proud means happy with yourself because you did something good.
Example, I'm proud of myself for studying every day.
Guilty.
Guilty means you feel bad because you did something wrong, or you think you did something wrong.
Example, I feel guilty because I was rude.
Lonely.
Lonely means you feel alone inside, even if people are around.
Example, I feel lonely in a new city.
Great. These words are very useful.
Now, an important learning point. Feelings often come with reasons.
Yes, learners should practice saying because.
Because connects the feeling to the reason.
For example, I feel nervous because I have a presentation.
I feel happy because I got good news.
I feel sad because I miss my home.
Great, simple and powerful.
Now, let's do a real-life mini-story.
Yes, we will show how feelings change during one day.
I love that.
Okay, Emily, tell me about a day when you had many feelings.
Last week, I had a day like that. In the morning, I felt nervous because I had a job interview.
Okay, nervous in the morning. What did you do?
I took a deep breath and practiced my answers.
Good. Practice can reduce nervousness.
Reduced means make smaller.
Yes, then what happened?
After the interview, I felt relieved.
Relieved means you feel better because the stress is finished.
Yes, then I got a message later.
What message?
They said I did well and they want a second interview.
Nice. How did you feel then?
I felt excited and proud.
Great. That is a real emotional day.
Now, Paul, tell me about your emotional day.
Okay, yesterday I felt annoyed in the morning.
Annoyed means a little angry, right?
Yes, not big anger, but small anger.
Why were you annoyed?
Because my bus was late and I had to wait in the cold.
That makes sense. Then what happened?
Later, I felt better because a friend called me and we laughed.
Laughed means you had fun.
Yes, then in the evening, I felt calm because I took a walk.
Great. So feelings change during the day.
Exactly.
Now, an important question. What can we do when we have strong negative emotions?
Great question. Let's keep it simple and practical.
First, notice the feeling.
Second, name the feeling.
Third, do one helpful action.
For example, if you feel angry, you can pause and breathe.
If you feel stressed, you can make a small plan.
If you feel sad, you can talk to a friend.
If you feel nervous, you can practice and prepare.
These are simple actions that help.
Let's teach calming phrases for daily life.
Yes, phrases you can say to yourself or to someone else.
It's okay.
I will be fine.
Take it step by step.
Step by step means slowly and in small parts.
I can handle this.
Handle means manage and deal with something.
Great.
Now let's practice a dialogue where one person is stressed and the other helps.
Great. I will be stressed and Paul will help me.
Okay.
Paul, I feel stressed today
I'm sorry to hear that. Why do you feel stressed?
because I have too many tasks and not enough time.
I understand. Let's make a simple plan. What is the most important task?
The most important task is finishing my report.
Okay, focus on that first, then take a short break.
That helps. Thank you.
You're welcome. Remember, you don't need to do everything at once.
That is a good reminder. Now let's do a dialogue where someone is sad.
Okay. Emily, you seem quiet today. Are you okay?
I'm not feeling great.
I'm sorry. What's wrong?
I miss my family. I feel homesick.
I understand. Homesick means you miss home and family.
Yes.
Do you want to talk about it?
Yes, a little. Thank you for asking.
Of course, you are not alone.
That was a gentle and natural conversation.
Yes, it shows empathy.
Empathy means you understand and care about someone's feelings.
Great word.
Now we will teach a very useful skill, how to respond when someone shares a feeling.
Many learners do not know what to say.
Yes, they say only okay, and the conversation stops.
So we will give better responses.
If someone says, I'm sad, you can say, I'm sorry to hear that.
Or, that sounds hard.
Or, do you want to talk about it?
If someone says, I'm excited, you can say, that's great.
Or, I'm happy for you.
If someone says, I'm nervous, you can say, you've got this.
You've got this means you can do it.
Yes, very common and encouraging.
Now let's teach strong and soft ways to talk about emotions.
Good point. Sometimes you do not want to share everything.
So you can use soft phrases.
Soft phrase example. I'm okay, just a bit tired.
Or, I've been dealing with a few things.
Dealing with means handling.
Yes, this protects your privacy.
Privacy means personal information you want to keep private.
Great.
Now let's add feeling intensity.
Intensity means how strong a feeling is.
Exactly. You can say a little, kind of, really, very.
For example, I'm a little tired.
I'm kind of nervous.
I'm really happy.
I'm very stressed.
Great. These words make your speech more natural.
Let's do quick practice.
Okay.
Say, I'm a little worried.
I'm a little worried.
Say, I'm really excited.
I'm really excited.
Say, I feel very calm today.
I feel very calm today.
Great.
Now, some feelings are physical too.
Yes, the body shows emotion.
For example, my heart is beating fast.
That can happen when you feel nervous.
Or my hands are shaking.
Shaking means moving a little because of fear or cold.
Or I have a heavy feeling in my chest.
That can happen when you feel sad or anxious.
Anxious means nervous and worried.
Good word.
But we will keep it simple for learners.
Yes, simple language is stronger for daily speaking.
Now, let's talk about healthy ways to manage emotions.
Good, we can give easy actions.
Sleep well.
Eat healthy food.
Drink water.
Exercise, even a short walk.
Talk to a trusted person.
Trusted means someone you can rely on.
And reduce phone time if it makes you stressed.
Many people feel stressed from too much social media.
Yes, it affects mood.
Emily, what is one simple tip you use when you feel angry?
I pause before I speak.
Great. Pause means stop for a moment.
Yes, I breathe and I say, let me calm down.
Calm down means become calm.
Exactly. Then I speak more politely.
That is a great skill.
What about when you feel nervous, Paul?
I prepare, I practice, and I tell myself I will do my best.
That's great. Do my best means try hard.
Yes.
Now, let's end with a simple challenge for listeners.
Great idea.
Listeners, learn 5 feeling words today.
And make 5 sentences with I feel or I am.
Example, I feel happy because.
I feel nervous because.
I feel tired because.
I feel proud because.
I feel calm because.
Great. Also, ask one person today, how are you feeling?
And listen to their answer.
Listening is important.
Paul, before we finish, can you summarize the key points?
Sure, feelings and emotions are what you feel inside. Use I feel or I am to talk about emotions. Use because to give a reason. Ask simple questions like, how are you feeling? And respond kindly.
Great summary.
Thank you, Emily. This was a very useful episode.
Thank you, Paul, and thank you to everyone for listening to English Learning Voice.
Remember, your feelings matter, and talking about them in simple English is a great skill.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.